Hey guys, it's Cuphead versus the washing machine. That's what this title is going to be called as well. And you already know that because you saw the title before you saw this video. This is going to be a full series. I might add a playlist of the series, so then you guys can view the series. The first video, which is the Sonic spinner, I think it got taken down because it had a word in the title. I think it got taken down by YouTube. There he goes. These videos are so funny to my mom. Am I allowed to show you in this video? You're not just for YouTube? When can I show you in a video? There he is, guys. You can see him right there. The bendy one. What? What are you doing? You can see Cuphead better than you could see Bendy. It's probably because, like, there's shading. Cuphead is used to water. Because he has a drink in his head. So he's used to water. Unlike Sonic and Bendy. Did he wet his pants? It looks like he did.
Taking a bath.
Yeah. Cuphead, why are you taking a bath like this? This isn't how you take baths. You don't go in, you don't jump in washing machines. That's not how you take a bath. Imagine if another YouTuber just steals my idea. Like if they eventually start posting afterwards. I know.
When's it gonna start going fast?
I don't know, but he's going slow and steady.
I think it's coming up.
Here he comes. He's just spinning. Like, oh no, little muffin man. Pump. Pump. This is gonna be my 5th video of the day. Oh, that is a weird smile. Look at that smile. What happened to his smile?
Is he sleeping?
Oh my gosh, that is scary.
Any second now.
In one of my latest videos, I put WTHECK, and then I roll under it. I don't swear. What? Oh, there we go. Cuphead smiles back to normal. He's dying. He didn't feel very good. I don't feel so good. He just got Thanos snapped. This is the people that didn't survive Thanos. This is them inside the Soul Stone.
Get ready.
They're coming fast now.
More water.
Oh, tons of water. Cuphead, you're gonna get drenched. No, it's not even hitting him. It didn't even touch him. Oh, there we go. It's touching him. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wing, 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 wing. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to make a playlist of these videos so then you guys can see every single one. The Bendy one is now the first one because the Sonic one got taken down. Thanks for watching. Bye.